Hello students, this is the video on circle. In this video I will discuss very important question, okay, for your board examination. And this is very famous question. This question belongs to circle in mathematics class 10. My name is Rajan Kumar. Now look at this. What is given in this circle? Circle is given, O is the center and this is the radius, that is R. Okay. This value R is given, R value is given 6 centimeter. 6. Okay. We have to find, more things are given. AB is a chord given. AB is a chord which length is 9.6 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter. We have to find the length of tangent PA. How could you find? Before proving this, we have to go through some steps. Join OP. OP is join. That cuts this chord at the point L. Confirm? We have to take PA as X and PL as Y. Clear? First, we have to prove that here it is equal angle. So look in triangle APO and BPO. PA equal to PB, already discussed. OA equal to OB, radii of circle, and OP is a common. Okay, this is given. So triangle APO and BPO both are congruent. If they are congruent, my dear, then these angles are equal. And it is already given. After making this congruency, we have to look for triangle ALO and BLO. ALO and BLO. OA equal to OB, angle this AOL and this angle BOL. Both are equal. And this is the common OL. After that, we can say this triangle also congruent by SAS congruency. If it is congruent, then we can say AL equal to BL. AL equal to BL. Okay. If AL equal to BL, it is a half of AB and a half of 9.6, 4.8 centimeter. And this is OL. OL length we have to find. Okay. And this length is given 4.8 centimeter. 4.8. Okay, 4.8 cm. Okay. Now, this triangle are congruent. So, angle ALO equal to angle BLO. If both angles are equal, so we can say the sum of both angles 180 degree, each one is 90 degree. Okay. After that, I have to discuss how could we solve this one. Look at this. There is a calculation part is remaining. Look at this. Now, in triangle AOL, okay, angle ALO 90 degree. We have to find the OL. OL equal to under root OA square minus OA square minus AL square. AL square. OA is given radius 6 centimeter and AL is given half of the chord 4.8 centimeter. So it will be 36 and it is 23.04. Okay. Take the difference, it will be 12.96 and it will be the value of 3.6. That means OL value I have. OL is 3.6 cm. Okay, 3.6 cm. PA is supposed to be X and PL is supposed to be Y. And here it will be also 90 degree. And there also it will be 90 degree. Okay. I have to go through two right angle triangle. So look at this. In triangle ALP. In triangle ALP, angle ALP 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay. So we can say x square equal to y square plus 4.8 square. X square equal to y square plus 4.8 whole square. This is equation 1, Pythagoras. No, this is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now look at this. AP is a tangent and O is a radius. They here also 90 degrees. Okay. Okay. In triangle OAP, angle OAP will be 90 degrees. Now OP square equal to OP, O to P equal to AP square plus OA square. AP square plus OA square. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. AP square means, OP square means it is y, P to L y and O to L 3.6. So y plus 3.6 to the whole square equal to, okay, AP x square plus OA 6 square. Now what is the value of x square from this? The value of x square is there. X square is equal to y plus 3.6 whole square minus 6 square. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we just equate and find the value of y. From 1 and 2, we could say in the place of x square, we put this value. Y square plus 4.8 whole square equal to, the value of x square is this, y plus 3.6 whole square minus 6 square. Okay, we have to do the calculation. Y square plus 23.04 equal to a plus b whole square. A square, this square is 12.96 plus 2ab, ab, that's 2 into y into 3.6. 7.2y minus 36. Y square will cancel. Y square will cancel. Now we have to find the value of y. We just keep 7.2y on one side, all the number in this side. But I am writing 7.2y in LHS. 7.2y equal to 23.04, okay, minus 12.96 plus 36. Look at this. 7.2y equal to 23.04. This one will go this side, 12.96, and it will be plus there. So here it will be what? Here it will be I just wrote this one. Okay. Okay, this is the equation 1. So here it will be 7.2y equal to 23.04 plus 36. 23.04 plus 36. 369 and 325. 59.04. 59.04 minus 12.96. Okay. Now subtracting. If we do the sum, here it is. Now 14 minus 6, 8. And 9 minus 9 is 0. Point. 8 minus 2, 6. Okay. And 8 minus 2, 6. And 5 minus 1, 4. It is 7.2y. What is the value of y? 46.0608 divided by 7.2. So if you do, what will be the come? So here we do 7.2 divided 46.08. Just do the calculation. 5 times, 6 times, 6 times. 6 to the 12, 1, 6 7 ja, okay. So here a one. 6 to the 12, 2, 1, 6 7 ja 42 and 1 43. Now here it will be 8, there will be 2 and here it is no. Now here it will be 4. Okay, so it will be 4, 6.4. Okay, it will be 6.4. We can do the calculation. 6.4. Here it will be 6.4. Now what the value of y coming? We just put in the equation number 1. From equation 1, okay, x square equal to y square plus 4.8 whole square. We just put here. I am going to rub this line. Okay, okay. Now x square equal to 6.4 whole square plus 4.8 square. So it will be 40.96 plus 23.04. It will be 64. Okay. So x square equal to 64. What should be the value of x? X value will be 8. Okay. So what is the length of tangent? The length of tangent PA, that is x equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Understanding the meaning of this question? Now, one more question. Next question. Very small question I will discuss. Look at this. In this question, there is a circle. This is a tangent. This is a chord. This is a center. This is a radius. The name of this PAB, and this is M. Okay, and here it is angle OAM. Okay, so we have to prove second question. In circle COR, okay, PA is a tangent. PA is a tangent. Okay, what is given? We have to join this one also. Okay, we have to join this one also. Look at this. AB is a chord. AB is a chord. Okay, AB is a chord. OP cut AB at M. OP cuts AB at M. It's also very important question right here. To prove that angle APO equal to angle OAM. Angle OAM. APO. APO and this angle equal to OAM. Now look at this. How? Improve. As we know that OP perpendicular to AB at M. Okay. Let OAM equal to angle X. Angle OAM equal to angle X. And angle OMA equal to 90 degree. So angle AOM equal to 90 degree minus X. Okay. Now in triangle APM. Now in triangle APM. angle AMP 90 degree, angle AMP 90 degree, okay, and angle PAO, चूंकि angle PAO equal to 90 degree, so angle PAM equal to 90 degree minus x. It is x and the whole it will be 90 degree, so it will be 90 minus x. 90 minus x. It will be 90 minus x. Okay. Now in triangle PM, now here I will do. Now in triangle, okay. Now in triangle AMP, okay, angle AMP 90 degree, angle PAM 90 minus x, so angle APM equal to x. Okay, APM equal to x. So we can say here, we can say now, we can say angle APM equal to angle OAM equal to x. That's good. Okay, thank you.